Hello everyone and welcome to our webinar, which today we'll be discussing the benefits of outsourcing your facilities management services. I'm going to talk through some common problems many of our clients and prospects have often experienced and hopefully share some useful tips and solutions. So, reducing the cost of your energy management. We know from the depth of our client portfolio across a range of sectors that sustainability and energy management is very important for businesses, but often lack of staff resource and specialist knowledge can prevent companies from achieving their desired results and impact. In our experience, by allowing professionals to take away this burden, your business could see considerable cost savings and exceed sustainability targets through your hard and soft services right through to your property management and health and safety. So we found that using our in-depth knowledge of changing trends in the energy sector in combination with our analysis of utility usage, we are able to make sure that our clients are getting the best rates from utilities providers and only actually paying for the energy that they use. So we would recommend creating an energy policy, gathering your baseline data, conducting an energy performance review, and then you can start to find energy saving opportunities. So, review of asset management. We believe it's important to review your assets and replace with sustainable units. Again, these tasks can be time consuming but extremely worthwhile. We are committed to reducing our carbon footprint and have introduced electrical vehicles into our fleet, and where possible we will introduce these EVs when vehicles are replaced with a view of having a full fleet by 2025. We are also installing electrical equipment to replace gas items. The cost of electric is decreasing with more sustainable sources available, so we are installing electrical items such as air source heat pumps to replace those gas boilers. Again, this will significantly reduce costs. If you would like to discuss this further with a member of the team, please feel free to get in touch for a more in-depth conversation. Savings gained from partnership. So in terms of partnership, we offer a new culture of service delivery, and what we mean by that is that we move away from the client and supplier working model to working together alongside each other. So we believe in working with you to achieve your goals. We found that clients can often get frustrated with the lack of autonomy when working with large companies, but equally not feeling as supported as they would like to when something goes wrong or they need urgent assistance. So we like to think that we're large enough to deliver with enough experience and financial backing behind us, but also small enough to provide that family feel that allows us to operate on a more personal level. So similarly, in terms of 24/7 support, you could benefit and gain peace of mind from having a safety net, and that's guaranteed to respond 24 hours a day, 7 days a week and 365 days a year, including bank holidays. Again, another problem that we found from speaking to clients is that without a dedicated FM provider, they've been hit by expensive call-out fees and unreliable follow-ups. This is somewhere we feel as though we can help by being completely transparent and reassuring our customers that we will be there should you need us. This brings us to productivity. We can assess productivity of our models and deliver restructures to deliver against those standards, ultimately saving you money. So again, investing in your FM services could actually save your business money in the long run. Cost savings and compliance. A lot of our customers' key driver is compliance. They know they need to be compliant and they can't afford not to be, but they often don't feel as though they have the skills or time to be on top of everything with changing rules and regulations. This often means that things can get overlooked, causing greater problems in the future. We take a proactive approach to our clients, which means there are less reactive tasks and repairs can be done there and then. We meet all British standards, including SFG 20 on hard services and BICSC on cleaning. We have a range of accreditations including electrical, mechanical, including qualified supervisors in-house to manage standards across the business. And again, by outsourcing your FM services to professionals, this frees up time for you and your business to focus on what you're good at and delivering a great product or services for your own dedicated customers. Another worry is often, how will we be able to keep track of this and have full visibility over our estates? So the answer is that we use a computer-aided facilities management system, which you might commonly hear referred to as a CAFAM system, which means you can see everything that we are doing, upcoming works, and you can log any issues that you need resolving. We train all of our clients on this very user-friendly system during our mobilisation period, so you'll always have full control over what's going on, with the added peace of mind that you don't need to worry too much on a day-to-day basis. Mitigating risk. So often businesses will find themselves with multiple providers for different services, such as cleaning, electrical maintenance and grounds work. And this can cause problems with staff being unable to keep track of contractors and not being able to establish strong enough working relationships, which can often result in a breakdown of communication. However, by appointing one provider to deliver all of your services, you can really maximise how efficient these services are and how they can work for you as a business. So at Derwent FM, we tailor-make bespoke packages to suit a spectrum of different sectors, ranging from education, healthcare and local authority. We could certainly go into more detail and perhaps talk through some of our case studies and showcase how we've helped others. So do let us know if that is something that you would be interested in hearing more about. In terms of standards and quality, sometimes there isn't that expertise in-house, and therefore many of our clients have found that the standard of their services has increased after choosing to outsource. It is certainly easier to keep up to date with best practice when you are immersed in that industry, and this is reflected in the quality we provide for our clients. Just to give an example of the sort of thing that holds importance for us, we are accredited to ISO 9001, an international standard which demonstrates our ability to consistently meet regulatory requirements. Throughout the contract, the standard of our work will be measured against the British Institute of Cleaning Science for cleaning and SFG 20 for facilities management. So Derwent FM is a leading operator in the facilities management industry, with customer excellence and innovation at our heart. And this is underpinned by compliance in all aspects of the operation. We do hold a number of accreditations that I haven't listed, but if this was of specific interest to you, then do let me know and I can ensure to offer more information. Likewise, we pride ourselves on our transparent and honest approach, so price certainty is always guaranteed. So, improved social responsibility. Some businesses can often be worried that working with external partners and outsourcing their services could impact upon their reputation in some way. However, working with Derwent FM could actually improve your social responsibility. We actually reinvest all of our profit to regenerate communities by supporting housing and community initiatives. And this is actually very rare amongst FM companies. Our social purpose supports our clients' CSR strategies and contributes in a positive way to their impact statements. Our approach to CSR is focused on our responsibility to ensure that our business activities positively affect society and consider human rights as well as our own environmental and social impact. For example, some of the actions we are committed to taking are retaining loyal and productive staff, and as well as this, we have ranked 40th in the inclusive top 50 UK employers list. We observe community values, protect natural environment, and we're committed to minimising our carbon footprint. Clients can often worry about sustainability and ethical implications along the supply chain. We ensure that potential new suppliers are responsibly sourced and evaluated to guarantee an ethically aware and sustainable approach to the provisions of services and products. So we work with existing suppliers in our supply chain to ensure that they comply with our zero tolerance towards slavery and human trafficking. We could probably do a whole other webinar about protecting the environment, but in a nutshell, we are accredited to ISO 14001 and ISO 5001 with a robust management system in place to monitor and manage our environmental impact and energy consumption. And this has a focus on continuous improvement and reducing our carbon footprint year on year. We have joined the EP100 project through the energy management pathway, and we've committed to reducing our energy consumption by 40% through our energy management system by 2050. Student Minds is our chosen charity, as over 95% of our turnover is generated in the student sector, and we fundraise for them each year to improve the mental health and well-being of students across the country. As well as this, every member of staff is given a paid volunteer day to allow them to donate their time to their chosen charity, whether that be Student Minds or another charity that is close to their hearts. Thanks so much for listening today. If you would like to discuss anything that has been mentioned in further detail, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. My name's Natalie and all of my details are on screen now. It would also be great if you could send through any comments or feedback via email, as this will help us improve any content that we will be making going forward. Thanks so much for your time.